Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel. With the advancement of technology, the world is more dependent on AIs. Today we will be discussing about the best AI text-to-image makers that have become more advanced and can produce some stunning images. Number 1, Midjourney. It is an AI power tool that can convert text to image instantly. It uses GAN technology to generate high-quality images. You can input any text and Midjourney will create an image based on it. It's an user-friendly and interface in easy-to-navigate tool. Number 2, Dalai E2. It is an AI text-to-image maker developed by OpenAI. It is an upgraded version to the Dalai E, which is released in 2021. It can create more complex images and can understand natural language instruction better than the original one. It can generate images of objects that don't exist in real life, making it a very impressive tool. Number 3 on our list is Canva. I think everyone knows Canva. It's a graphic design tool that has recently introduced AI text-to-image maker feature. It uses AI technology to generate images based on your text input. Canva has a vast library of templates and can customize your images with different fonts, colors and styles. It is a great tool for creating social media posts, presentations and marketing materials. StudyA is also another AI text-to-image maker that can create stunning images based on your text input. It uses deep learning algorithms to understand the context of the text, generate relevant images. AI also has a user-friendly interface. You can customize output by choosing different styles and filters. Number 5, Footer. It is a graphic design tool that offers an AI text-to-image maker feature. It can generate high-quality images based on your text input and has a wide range of templates to choose from. Footer is easy to use. You can customize output from different fonts, colors and layouts. Thank you for watching. We hope you found the video informative. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.